I've been running away from showing my face to you guys. Hello, I'm Jemilat Eleojo Suleiman of JSR Fashion Academy, and I am so excited to be here with you guys. Okay, so you are officially welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I know you guys have been watching my videos, but you don't know who is behind the video. Like, seriously, I must tell you, I've been running away from showing my face to you guys. I've been running away from showing my face to you guys. Like, I've been like, oh, how will I be able to show my face to a very large audience here on YouTube? Not even on Facebook, where I'm very comfortable with, but here on YouTube. But guess what? I've been able to look that fear in the eyes, and I'm here talking to you guys. Okay, so you are officially welcome to my YouTube channel. And this channel, if you are a beginner in fashion designing, if you are an intermediate, if you're an advanced student, or if you just want to start your fashion journey, this is actually the right YouTube channel for you to be on. Because on this channel, expect videos on pattern drafting. Yes, pattern draft, everything pattern drafting. Okay, from the very beginning. Expect videos on freehand. Yes, there are some certain designs that doesn't necessarily need us to use pattern for. Okay, so expect videos on freehand, expect videos on sewing tips and techniques, and also expect videos on the business side of fashion. Yes, because I understand the fact that there are some fashion designers here that they don't know how to actually sell themselves out. They don't know how to actually monetize this knowledge that they have. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you everything. Like there is a whole lot to be gotten from this channel, right? So if you haven't hit the subscribe button, what are you still waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, yeah? So hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any new video. And videos is going to be weekly. Yes, it's going to be weekly. One video every week, and from time to time, if time permits us, we can be doing 2 videos, 3 videos every week. So please like, share, comment on my videos so that the videos can go far for other fashion designers to benefit from. So I'm so happy doing this with you guys. You guys are just like my family. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. So bye bye.